In this video, I will guide you how you can add zoom in and zoom out effects in your videos using Capcut. If you find this video helpful, please like and share, and also subscribe the channel. Let's get started. Click on the new project. Select the video in which you want to add zoom in and zoom out effects. Click on add. Now go to that position of the video where you want to start the zoom in effect. Click on edit. When you click on edit, you will see a keyframe icon will appear. So click on this to add the first keyframe. You will see a red diamond on the timeline. Now decide how long you want the zoom in effect to appear and add the second keyframe. Adjust the zoom in by your two fingers. You can also set the position like this. Now I play the video. You will see that zoom in effect has been applied. Now decide how long you want the zoom out effect to appear and add the third keyframe. Now again adjust the zoom out as per your need. Now I play the video.